Making online purchases is quickly becoming the preferred shopping method for many types of products. The competition for customers across all product verticals is at an all-time high for online retailers. Amazon now boasts over 210 million monthly website visitors in the US alone, while booking an estimated $280 billion worth of merchandise in 2019. About 30% of the $280 billion worth of online purchases get returned. That translates to approximately $84 billion worth of merchandise. 75% of these items are returned for reasons other than being defective, leaving over $63 billion worth of working goods that need to find a home. Amazon receives returns and inspects the inventory. Any inventory they can't sell ends up loaded onto trucks and then shipped off to other companies to resell. As an entrepreneur, this creates a tremendous opportunity to profit on the secondary market. If you're a business person actively seeking Amazon's returns, then listen up. You could go through a middleman who purchases the merchandise, processes it, adds value to it, and then sells it to you at a profit. The issue is, by the time you buy the merchandise, your potential profit has mostly been eaten away by the middleman's overhead costs and margins. Luckily, there's a better way. If you want to avoid those negatives, a large percentage of this inventory finds its way onto liquidation platforms. Although liquidation has a negative connotation in some circles, this is mostly an undeserved reputation. Reputable liquidation sites are not hard to find if you know what to look for. When you find a potential platform, look for reviews and shop at the highest rated. Once you've done the research, finding Amazon returns pallets at a price point that allows you to profit becomes much simpler. A good form of research is by looking at lot manifests. Top-tier liquidators like Direct Liquidation provide to you a downloadable spreadsheet filled with relevant information like UPC information, product conditions, and retail prices, all of which can help you make an educated purchasing decision. And if you're looking for inexpensive, untouched goods straight from Amazon, some platforms even offer a chance to buy unmanifested loads. This way, you cut out the middleman and really maximize your profits. Direct liquidation. Liquidation done right.